हेलो एवरीवन, हेलो पेरेंट्स, हेलो बच्चों। आज एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं जो आपके फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। एंड इस टॉपिक पर पेरेंट्स को भी कहीं ना कहीं कुछ डाउट्स हैं, कुछ ना कुछ कन्फ्यूजन्स हैं कि ये क्या है, ये हमारे बच्चों के लिए कौन सा बेटर रहेगा। तो आज मैं सीबीएसई के सर्कुलर को जो सीबीएसई ने इशू किया था 2020 में, मैं उसको बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आपको एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ। और कुछ ऐसी भी चीज़ें जो कि सर्कुलर में नहीं भी हैं, फिर भी वो आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा सो दैट आपका जो डिसीजन है कि आपको अप्लाइड मैथ्स लेना है या फिर स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स लेना है वो बहुत ईजिली ले सको। सो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं कि ये अप्लाइड मैथ्स है क्या। पहले सीबीएसई का एक ही मैथ्स हुआ करता था, दैट वाज स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स। स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स कॉमर्स के बच्चे भी वही पढ़ते थे, साइंस के बच्चे भी वही पढ़ते थे। जो एप्लीकेशंस जो इंजीनियरिंग में यूज़ होती है वो आप स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स में बेसिकली देखते थे। कॉमर्स की भी कुछ एप्लीकेशंस थी बट बहुत कम थी और इतनी नहीं थी कि हाँ हम ये कह सकें ये कॉमर्स के लिए फुली यूटिलाइज्ड कंटेंट है। सो सीबीएसई ने क्या किया कि दो तरह की मैथ्स को उन्होंने डेवलप किया। फर्स्ट दैट इज अप्लाइड एंड सेकंड इज स्टैंडर्ड, दैट वाज देयर अर्लियर आल्सो, बट अप्लाइड मैथ्स इज समथिंग व्हिच इज मीन फॉर commerce students. So this is for basically commerce students and the code is this is 241 for applied maths and 041 for standard maths. The first question is what is applied maths? So in short I'm just going to tell you that applied maths is basically for commerce students because they are going to do they are going to do business, they are going to do some commerce job. So what are the important things that they will need from maths that will be taught in applied maths. So applied maths is basically just for commerce. Now next question is how it is different from standard maths. So the first I have already answered this, that standard maths is basically for engineering students and this applied maths is for commerce students. So that is the only difference in applied maths and standard maths. Here you will see lot of applications. In applied maths you will see lot of applications which will be used in commerce stream, or you can say after class 12 when somebody will do commerce or will do MBA or something, well they work in the commerce sector, then they have to use all their many applications. So all the applications they will here learn that how they can use maths in their professional life. So this is what the difference. Now come to the next question, who all can opt applied standard maths? So those students who have chosen basic maths in class 10th can opt only applied maths. Those who have chosen basic maths in class 10th cannot go for standard maths. Whereas those who have chosen standard maths in class 10th, they can opt for both. They can go for applied as well as for standard maths. So they have a choice. Those who have taken standard maths in class 10th, they have a choice whether they opt standard maths or they opt applied maths. So this is what the difference in this. Now next question is what are future prospects of if one takes applied standard maths? So that is very important question, that how you are going to say this thing. So future prospects means it's very simple from to just get to know what are the future prospects from the first question, because this is about your commerce application. So basically those who study applied maths will be using the concepts of maths in solving problems which are related to commerce business, and standard maths will be helping for those students those who are willing to go for engineering or some higher level of defense, something defense sector or some engineering sector. So they will be using standard maths. Now next one is how difficult applied maths is as compared to standard maths. So difficulty level should not be considered as the important factor, because here in applied maths you will be seeing a lot of applications which can be used in commerce. So and application, there is no limit. In application you have to use any kind of problem where you have to find the solution with the help of applied maths concepts. So both are difficult both are easy depending upon how much you are understanding this thing, whether standard maths or applied maths. If you are taking applied maths, it means you have already decided that you are going to do commerce in future. So this is good if you go and study this thoroughly, that applied maths is basically the application which will be used in your later life. So this is really important. Now next thing, that what you can do after standard maths, or after taking standard maths or applied maths. So at university level, applied maths, you can go anywhere. There is no issue, but two fields are closed for you. The first is your maths honors. You cannot do maths honors and stats honors. So that are the two things that you cannot do. Where is the standard maths? Those who opt standard maths in class 12 can go for maths honors, stats honors, and all the courses, all the fields wherever others can go, they can also go. So this is the short description of all these things, and I tried to answer try to answer all the questions that might be there in your mind before you take the decision. So please take the decision wisely, and please comment, ask your queries if you have any, and I just say best of luck. Thank you.